Hi everyone, I'm Jen from Ask an Autism Mom, live with Laki Kid. Today I'm here to talk about one of our versatile products, the lap pad. Our lap pads come in 2, 3, and 4 pound varieties. The one I currently have in my hands is a medium, so it is a 3 pound lap pad. The general suggestion when using a lap pad is to choose one that is approximately 5% of your child's body weight. Now, why are they versatile? Let me explain. Our plastic pellet-filled lap pad can be heated in the dryer or cooled in the freezer for a more enjoyable sensory experience. Any of our lap pads can be heated or cooled out of the 3 that I am explaining: the medium, the small 2 pound, or the large 4 pound. They are all wonderful products, and I hope you enjoy them. Thank you.